I needed to find a space of my own to make my life easier. Yes, a she shed. A quiet place of my own. Thank goodness for Action Buildings. Quality, portable buildings in order to expand your property's footprint while also following your dreams. And the best part? You don't even have to leave your home. The process is all online. Variety of selections to fit your needs. I just love the 12x16 with the gable. And they offer such a nice variety of colors, so cute. Not only that, they deliver directly to your property. Finally, they have little to no down payment if you need it. I love turning my dreams into a reality. It's all good.